Alright, today we're going to do a video of our 818 Chevalier CNC column type surface grinder. There's a FANUC OMC 3-axis CNC control and red cap servo motors. The table is ball screw driven, it is not hydraulic driven. The machine has a large coolant unit. We'll run the machine around for you. That's your x-axis, sounds nice and quiet. You have your z-axis, which is in and out on the column. Again, that's extremely quiet. And you have your y-axis, which is up and down, also quiet as well. All right, we'll start the wheel. The wheel is variable speed. Right now, the wheel is at 500 RPM. We'll bring the speed up. That's 1500. Spindle's very quiet on this machine. That's 2500 RPM. And that's 3000 RPM. Again, spindle's very, very quiet. Stop it. And the machine's also equipped with an electromagnetic chuck, as you can see here. It's also variable. Has a little bit of magnetism there, and then you can also go up to 100%. The machine has a gauge, so you know exactly how much, and also gives you your spindle speeds. Machine is original paint, again, new in 2000. It is serial number K1896001, model FSG-B818CNC. This machine can be seen in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse under power. Thank you for watching the video.